Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me show you a quick fingerprint sensor test so we will be able to check if it is reliable and if it works fast. So let me look at the device and let me show you the fingerprint sensor which is located on the back of this device. So here we've got a physical type of a sensor and I've already added my fingerprint to it. So let's try to unlock it by putting the finger on the sensor obviously, so let me do that. And as you can see, the device is unblocked and that was quite fast, I have to say. So let's try it multiple times. Alright, so overall the fingerprint scanner works, obviously, that's for sure, and it works pretty good actually, and I'm quite impressed. It didn't miss any touches, and I suppose just one, but it was my fault that I put my finger in a wrong way on the sensor. So overall, to be honest, I think that it's a very good fingerprint scanner because it's quite fast and efficient. So actually that's all. This is how the fingerprint scanner works in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.